Hello all, this is Conflict here. In part 7 of our in-depth guide to Discord, we went over a few things to just getting started out on Discord. We started that episode by going back to the server settings to finish up with that part of the interface. By showing you the Overview tab, upon viewing the Overview tab, we were able to not only set our AFK channel, but also a welcome room as well. We then showed you the notification settings and finally the privacy settings. I mentioned that the privacy settings would be a great segue into episode 8. I've added I'm about to add my first friend and with this friend's help we will demonstrate first how to add a friend on Discord, how to familiarize yourself with the home interface as well as the direct message interface. I will then demonstrate how to edit a message in the direct message interface. With our mission statement out of the way, let us get started with the video. So the first thing you need to go ahead and do is go ahead and come up here to your home button and click this to be taken to the friend interface. When you're here, you can go ahead and click on Friends, and you'll be taken to an interface where you can add or remove friends that are that that you have the codes for to go ahead and add. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on Add Friend and type in my new friend's username, and then go ahead and send them a friend request. Once they accept the friend request, we'll go ahead and get into a chat. Some things to know about the friend interface. You can also add friends from Skype, Steam, or your Blizzard account. These accounts can be connected via the via logging in to those accounts from your internet browser. So now that our friend has been added, all we need to go ahead and do is click on all, and our friend should pop up. There we go. Our friend said hi to us. So with our friend giving us such a great warm welcome, let's go ahead and say hello to them back. Oh, it looks like I misspelled a word. So let's go ahead and click on these three little dots here on the side next to the emote button and fix that, shall we? So instead of choosing pen or delete, we're going to choose edit and fix our spelling mistake. Once our spelling mistake is fixed, we can go ahead and press enter, and our message will be labeled as edited. Anyone who sees this will know it is an edited message. he's calling me out. Well, I'll go ahead and do do what most people do. Go ahead and laugh out loud. My new friend seems like a really okay person. More than okay. They're they're going to be a great friend. But first of all, let's go ahead and familiarize ourselves with the direct message interface. There's a couple of things that are different from the regular Discord interface, and some things that are the same. First of all, you will always have your home button up here no matter what interface you're on, s- excluding a new interface such as the user settings or an interface where you have to directly edit Discord as a whole. As you can see, this has changed to reflect I have one friend online. Under this, it's pretty normal. It shows our server again, and I can still join a new server. We can still see that this menu has not changed since we are still connected to our voice channel, and our chat window hasn't really changed much. Sorry about that. A couple things that have changed though. We can clearly see that any message we type in this window will be going to our new friend here. So with this in mind, some new options have appeared. We can also start a video call. We can start a regular voice call. Any messages that we want to save, we can pin to the wall of this interface, as well as we can add additional friends to this private message as well. If we wanted to go ahead and search for a specific word or phrase within this private message, we could do that with the search bar. Not only that, but if this was a group private message or what some call a conference call, we could go ahead and mention a specific person. Knowing all this will help us go ahead and make many friends and keep those friends because we know how to go ahead and contact them. Another thing to go ahead and note is that with the direct messages, if you go ahead and do a voice call, video call, you will be taken out of the current channel of the server you are in because Discord can't be in voice capabilities within two places at once. So, with that in mind, make sure if you're going to go ahead and call a friend privately that you let your other friends know within your server that you're going away for a while or that you shall be back soon. I think that with this knowledge, you can go ahead and have a great time chatting with your friends And hopefully, if you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, or subscribe. And I hope you have a great day. This is Conflict, signing off.